Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna be factory resetting this awesome laptop. So let's get started. All right, so this is gonna be quite easy. What we have to go is into here. So see that down there? Just tap on it. And then up here under search, just type in factory reset. It's actually not called factory reset, but once you start typing that up, you're gonna see this, reset this PC. That's exactly what we need to do. So we're gonna press on reset this PC, and then we're gonna go step by step. All right, so you're gonna see a lot of options here, and what we're looking for is this, reset this PC, the very first one. If you're having any other issues, make sure to go along with these fixes. But right now, this is what we're looking for. We're gonna reset it, which means we're gonna delete everything from within the PC itself. So no files, no emails, nothing's gonna be inside here. Any online accounts will still exist, so if you go into another computer or a phone or tablet, you can access those things. But inside this computer, no, they're not gonna be here anymore. So if you're selling this, returning it, this is what you guys should do. Or if you wanna start fresh, maybe you got a virus, wanna start from zero, this is what to do as well. Anyways, we're gonna go on and remove everything. The second option here, we're not gonna keep anything. So right now, we do have that option to keep your files. We don't want that. And we can go ahead and cloud download Windows, or the second option, local install. I've noticed for some strange reason, this takes longer, local reinstall, but you guys can try that. If you don't have any Wi-Fi, or if your Wi-Fi is really slow, do not try the cloud download. Go ahead and do this one. Again, in my experience, cloud download for some reason faster, but we're gonna just assume you guys have slow internet. Let's just choose this option for now. Again, my experience, the cloud one works a little bit faster. Not sure why. We're gonna go into next. And then right here, it's just gonna get ready. And yes, this will take some time. Again, if you did the cloud one, depends on your internet speed. But anyways, we're gonna go on and just reset. And here we go. It's just gonna prepare the reset. And then it's just gonna go on and delete everything from here. It's gonna re-download and reinstall Windows for you, and then we're gonna be done. All right, so during this process, you should see it restarting. It should say restarting PC, and then it's just gonna take a while. Okay, so after just a bit, it should say installing. Right now, just make sure it's charging while this is happening. It's gonna take some time. Okay, just keep in mind that during this whole process, it's gonna restart, and then it should go a little bit faster with installation once it does one restart. Okay, so at this point, you should see this, and we are all done. Just shut down your Mac. So to shut down your computer right now, I didn't mean to say Mac, by the way, your PC, all you guys have to do is just hold on to the power button. Once it's fully turned off, you are done. So right now, what you guys can do is just reactivate your computer if you want to, using the same account, different account, or just shut it down like I showed you, and that would be it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.